99% of people are using this wrong. And I bet you are too. But don't worry, I'm about to show you the correct way, and it will blow your mind. So what exactly is this? Some people think it's just a useless gadget, or maybe something decorative, but its real purpose is way smarter than you imagine. And yes, almost everyone gets it wrong. Let me show you how most people use it. Like this. Here's the trick. The secret to using this properly is, drumroll please. Boom! That's it. Simple, right? But look at the difference. Notice that? That's why 99% of people have been doing it wrong their entire lives. So why do we all get it wrong? It's simple. Most gadgets are designed to look confusing, or we just assume the way we've always done it is correct. Even if it seems obvious, there's usually a smarter way. And that's exactly why learning the real way is such a game changer. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now here's a little bonus tip. If you use it this other way, not only does it work better, but it can also save you time, effort, or even money. See that? It's like discovering a secret shortcut nobody tells you about. So next time you see one of these, remember, you're officially part of the 1% who actually know how to use it right. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more life hacks that 99% of people get wrong.